Welcome back, viewers. Whenever WWE is mentioned, one name stands out with the most power, dominance, and authority, and that name is Roman Reigns. Just as he dominates his opponents inside the ring, his life outside the ring is also full of luxury and grandeur. Today, we are taking you inside Roman Reigns' magnificent and luxurious house, which is not just a home, but a symbol of a royal lifestyle. His strong physique, confident personality, and dangerous fighting style have made him one of the biggest superstars in WWE. He is known as the Tribal Chief, and this title truly suits him. Whenever he delivers his famous Superman punch and spear, even the strongest wrestlers fall to the ground. Viewers, in this video, we will also reveal the secret of why Roman Reigns entered the world of wrestling and how he made his way into it. What was the reason that turned him into a wrestling superstar? This is a secret that very few people know, so make sure you watch this video till the end. This video has been created with real research and great effort. Your one like and subscribing to the channel motivates us to create even better videos. Now, let's move towards our video.
Viewers, let us tell you that Roman Reigns is considered one of the richest and most successful superstars in WWE today. His wealth does not come only from wrestling, but also from brand deals, advertisements, movies, and merchandise. According to 2026 estimates, Roman Reigns' total net worth is believed to be around $14 to $20 million. If the income of his wife Galina Becker is also included, their combined wealth reaches around $23 to $24 million. His annual salary from WWE is estimated to be around $5 million. In addition to this, merchandise sales, brand endorsements, TV and film projects all further increase his income. Roman Reigns' magnificent house, which we will describe shortly, is located in Tampa, Florida, and its price is estimated to be around $2.4 million. Roman Reigns also owns several luxury and expensive cars worth millions of dollars. Now let's move towards his luxurious house. Roman Reigns' house is located in the city of Tampa in the United States, where wealthy and famous personalities prefer to live. The house is worth about $2.4 million. This area is famous for its beauty, security, and luxurious lifestyle. The house looks nothing less than a modern palace. From the outside, the beautiful white and light cream-colored walls, large glass windows, and modern architectural design immediately show that this is not an ordinary house, but the residence of a global superstar. In front of the house, there is a large and beautiful driveway where several luxury cars can be parked at the same time. When the lights of the house turn on at night, the entire mansion shines like a scene from a movie.
As soon as you step inside the house, you see a large and magnificent hall. The high ceilings, beautiful chandeliers, and modern designer furniture make this hall look extremely royal. The floor is covered with expensive marble that shines when light falls on it. The walls are decorated with modern artwork and beautiful pictures that enhance the elegance of the house. There is also a large living room where Roman Reigns spends time with his family. Soft and expensive sofas, a large screen television, and a comfortable atmosphere make this place very special. The kitchen of this house is no less than that of a five-star hotel. It features the latest appliances, beautiful wooden cabinets, and a large island counter. This is where Roman Reigns and his family sit together, enjoy meals, and spend happy moments. The house also has several large and comfortable bedrooms. The master bedroom in particular is extremely luxurious. It has a large soft bed, big windows, and a balcony from where a beautiful outside view can be seen. The room is designed in such a way that it gives a complete feeling of peace and comfort. It is also a place where Roman Reigns spends quality time with his beautiful wife. Since Roman Reigns is famous for his incredible fitness, his house also has a fully equipped private gym. The gym is filled with modern machines and workout equipment where he trains and keeps himself in top physical condition. At the back of the house, there is a large and beautiful swimming pool. Around it are comfortable chairs and attractive plants. This place is considered perfect for relaxing, spending time with friends, and hosting family parties. Next to the pool, there is also a small garden with green grass and trees that make the environment even more beautiful.
This house is not just a residence, but also a symbol that hard work and dedication can take a person to great heights. Roman Reigns has built his name in the wrestling world through his strength, determination, and hard work, and has achieved a lifestyle that many people dream of. Inside the ring, he appears as a powerful warrior, but at home, he lives as a simple and caring family man. Now, viewers, let us reveal the secret of why Roman Reigns entered the world of wrestling and how he started his journey. When Roman Reigns was a child and used to listen to stories about the famous wrestlers in his family, his grandmother would often lovingly say, "One day my grandson will become a great wrestler in the world." These words settled deeply in Roman Reigns' heart. From that moment, he made a firm decision that one day he would definitely fulfill his grandmother's dream. He worked extremely hard, built his strength, and eventually entered WWE. With time, the same child his grandmother dreamed about became one of the biggest names in the wrestling world. Roman Reigns not only achieved fame, but also proved that if determination is strong, a person can turn the dreams of their loved ones into reality. Before entering wrestling, he used to play American football. His real name is Liadi Joseph Anoa'i, and he belongs to the famous wrestling dynasty known as the Anoa'i family. Roman Reigns first tried to build a career in American football and performed very well during his college years. He even spent some time with teams in the NFL, but he did not achieve major success there. After that, he decided to continue his family tradition and signed with WWE in 2010. He trained in WWE's developmental system called Florida Championship Wrestling. Later, in 2012, he appeared on the main show and became part of a group called The Shield. In this group, he was joined by Seth Rollins and Dean Ambrose. The success of this group quickly made Roman Reigns one of the biggest stars in WWE, and in this way, his grandmother's dream also came true. So friends, how did you like today's video? For more real and interesting videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video.